How to build technology for Mars colonization. What if the next big leap in human evolution doesn't happen on Earth, but 140 million miles away? Mars colonization isn't just science fiction anymore, it's an engineering mission in progress. But how do we build the technology to actually live there? Colonizing Mars means designing systems that work in one of the harshest environments imaginable. First challenge? Survival tech. Mars has no breathable air, extreme cold, and intense radiation. We'll need habitats built with durable materials, possibly even 3D printed using Martian soil, to shield settlers and maintain pressure. Life support systems will need to recycle oxygen, filter water, and manage waste continuously. NASA and private companies are testing closed-loop systems that mimic Earth's ecosystems on a much smaller scale. For power, solar is key, but with dust storms and long nights, it won't be enough. Small nuclear reactors and energy storage tech must be integrated to ensure a constant supply. Next, food production. Hydroponic and aeroponic systems will allow colonists to grow crops indoors without soil, minimizing water use and maximizing yield. All managed by AI to optimize efficiency. And of course, mobility and construction. We'll need AI-guided rovers, robotic builders, and autonomous drones to prepare sites, explore terrain, and build infrastructure long before humans arrive. Communication systems must handle high delays and reliability, requiring interplanetary networks and possibly satellites orbiting Mars to maintain contact with Earth. Lastly, we'll need adaptive AI and robotics to run diagnostics, assist astronauts, and make real-time decisions when Earth is too far away to help. Mars won't welcome us. We have to engineer our place there. Like what you're learning? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more future-building tech insights.